All right, part 2, we finished all the contact information. When we click submit here, it's going to open up the whole next phase of the transaction management process. You'll see a couple more sections will open through the commission section, the 2.8% commission. We're not holding earnest money. Our referral will be an internal referral. And we'll just fill that out. All right, so we got the agent added in here. Got the agent in there, and we'll put the referral amount, which is 30%. So that's all saved. We'll submit this page. You'll notice it'll open some more at the top. Once you finish that page, you can actually go and open your file folder and start to download documents so you can get your contract. Just drag and drop. So all the required ones are of course required, except for wire fraud. Except for the lead-based paint disclosure based on when the year the house was built. So you'll just continue to go down everything that you have in your file. You will add in to SkySlope. Pretty simple. So we have a counter proposal, not required unless you have one. And then once you're done, you're going to go to the MLS and screenshot or save an MLS printout, upload that file here so it shows the commissions. So you'll need the broker version. You keep going down here, and then only before, or actually after closing, you'll need these closing documents, CDA, EXP agent check closing documents. You'll just email the title company to send you those things. They will send it to you, and then you will attach it. You will be all done. That's as simple as it is. It's drag and drop. You cannot open the next section until you finish the previous one.